Hey guys, welcome back for another review of the GoPro Hero 7 Black and the Osmo Mobile Pocket. All the videos have been enhanced saturation and exposure to give it somewhat the best look. There are examples where I show you where it hasn't been edited and then I go ahead and edit so you see the difference between the two. Any filming of outside, it had the ND Filter 16 on the Pocket and the ND Filter 16 on the GoPro. A lot of folks have done reviews on these two different devices. I'm doing it because these two things I have, and I'm trying to decide whether I should keep both of them. So far, if I had to give up one, I would give up the Pocket, just because of the versatility of the GoPro being an action camera. It's tough, you can get wet, you can go into water, all that kind of stuff. I don't have to worry about it, and it does its job. I can hook up an audio to it to get clear audio from it. I know the Pocket's supposed to deliver that soon with their own adapter. We've tried other adapters on the Pocket, nothing works yet. So I'm surprised they haven't released that, but it's not out yet. The Pocket itself, audio-wise, I can think it is better than the GoPro Hero 5 out of the box. It tends to have the microphone where it's more centered on your voice, while the GoPro is trying to pick up a little bit of everything around you. If I'm going to keep the Pocket, it's going to be for nighttime video. I would choose this over the GoPro in a second if I'm doing anything where it's at night or at dusk where it's going to get dark. The Osmo Pocket wins at nighttime video, hands down. One of the things I find difficult with the Pocket is keeping your subject in frame. Maybe it's me and I'm not used to the gimbal in the different modes, but I have trouble with keeping that little small screen and keeping my subject in frame. As I'm tracking the subject and the gimbal keeping up with what I wanted to do, not getting lost going up or down, left and right, that's where I tend to have trouble trying to keep my subject in frame. Versus the GoPro, when you pretty much point at what you're shooting at and you're good to go. So the one thing I'm worried about with this one is that it's a little snow out here. You can see some droplets on the DJI. Here we are at the snow park. Everyone's happy. Rocking with the Pocket. Not tracking me. You tracking me? Nope. Do not operate while shooting. Alright, gotta go 24 frames per second. Keep tracking. So now it's tracking me on a long pole. Okay, this is exciting. I'm making the biggest snowball ever. Get some dinner, maybe frescoes, and I'm bringing the GoPro. No light, no nothing, just the GoPro with no case. See how this plays out. Let's go. One thing I do like about the GoPro versus the Osmo Pocket is the closeness you can get. You can hold this real close and you know you're in frame. Alright. So this is holding a little bit further away than the GoPro. About another 6 inches away, at least 6 or 8 inches. Hello, down here. So the shutter speed on this is 1/50th to double the frame rate and 24 frames per second.
Do you get hurt? I don't know. Get hurt? I don't know.
So stabilization is on. I am going to turn it off here in a second and see if you get better sharpness and clarity out of this thing. But it is hard to lose that stabilization because it's good stuff, especially daytime. Alright, let's turn it off. Alright, we are matched up side by side. Of course, we got super view going on with the GoPro. Alright, we are matched up side by side. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like, it always helps. Any questions you have about these two cameras, leave it in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer what I can. If there's something you want me to test or something you want me to show, ask that too. Smaller YouTubers like me, and you got questions, you'll get answers right away, versus the big YouTubers who just have thousands and thousands of different comments that they can't get to them all. Stay active and have a good day. We had a chance to go see the Guinness Brewery in Baltimore. It just opened up. Very cool place. So I put together a short little B-roll video for you.